Hey, I'm David. Today I will show how to add a drop-down list with different ways, different methods. Okay, let's go. First, when you click here, you can show male, female, how to create. First one, select the else range which one you want to create. So click the data, then the data validation. Here you can show the data validation. I will show you Zoom, okay, like this. Okay, click here and select the setting, the any view, change the any value to the list. Then type your options: male, common, female, common with unknown. Each option with one common. Then click OK. Then you can see the area you select will be the drop-down list here. And when you select difference, you can quickly type what you want. Then second, how to you can prepare the options in Excel. So select the areas to select data, data validation, and a list. Click the buttons here and select the range you have typed before. Select here and click the button. Click the OK. Now you can see the options and the drop-down list. When you change the cells, like now you can see the options will change too. You need to pay attention when the files is XLS with not X. That must be the same sheet. You can't create the cells with another sheet, but when the files is XLS, now you can use another sheet to the list area. So how to the third to create? I need to select the states and how to create. Select the state and click the formulas. Define name. So you can define name is with state. The name you type best not have symbols or numbers. That can be different if you want. So click OK. Change, select here area you want. Data validation. So the list, the type name with equal and state, state, with OK. Now you can see the state you want state change. Okay, that's the third method. With the fourth method, how to create a drop down like this. You can drop down. Okay, it's more. Okay. So how to create? You need to find a developers, but the first you can't find the developers in up. So click File, Options, click the Custom Review. So you can find in the right text box with the developers. Please check it and checking and OK. So you can see the developers. When you see the developers, here is select insert. Please select here. Select here. Okay, you can see the second combo box. Click here and use your mouse with a right place. Then right click Format Control. In the control, you can choose with click this button, choose the state you want your range here and select what what the function of this sales link. We can select anywhere any cells in the Excel. So I select H30. So click OK. So now you can see the options in this box. Okay, when I choose joy, you will find the cells I link is 1. Choose joy, choose Katie is 4. What means of 4? It shows the number of your name list you choose. So when I is 4, I change 1. It can be Joy. Choose 2. So it's just a number. It's not with the formulas. And how can I show what the index list? You need a function, a formula with index index. Click here and select the range with the comma. The cells you link with right. Enter this. So when you show the joy, it will be joy. That's the control box. In the next video, I will show when you choose the California, how to show the another 3 cities in California